So while building Desilo, we have taken the data security and the data protection very, very seriously. So I'll talk first about how we have secured our data. All our data storage system are within AWS. Within AWS, there are two options, right? We can have it within a private network or we can have it within the public. So our network is a private network. So that is only accessible from the Desilo systems. The second thing is like our system have a firewall enabled, and we have also enabled the AWS Guard Duty, which is continuously monitoring our system for security. The third thing is like all our system, there are multiple components who talk to each other and transfer the data. All that communication is happen on the TLS, which is a like secure a way to transfer data over the network as well. And when you use a Desilo, it is also you can see like there is a HTTPS being used to transfer the data. The second thing is a data protection. Now, data protection is very, very important because all your business data is with that. So, for financial data, we don't even give a delete option. It is always a revert. So, if you accidentally added some wrong entry in the financial data, you have to go and revert the transaction. So, both history will be maintained. The second thing is like critical data, for an example, like design documents, because those are the design documents. Design takes lots of time and you share that within a platform to your client. So suppose you have shared a design document and you have even given a permission to some employee that if they can also do the cleanup and all of the data, and they accidentally deleted that design document. That delete is also not deleted immediately. It will be stored for like next 30 days on the cold storage. So if you discover that there is some accidental delete by your employee, knowingly or unknowingly, you can come to us, we can recover that. Suppose there is some natural disaster happen. So by default, this cloud provider always back up their data to two different data centers, and that we have enabled. But suppose like some accident happen and the data get corrupted. So we have a 7 days backup. So every time last 7 days data we always have on some cold storage, we can recover from that. And that recovery is also like we have a mechanism where every 6 months we have a mandatory trial that we try to recover the data for the like test purpose from our dev systems to ensure that that data is recoverable. And we also have a like every year we are actually renewing our certification. As a part of our security certification, we do two type of security test. We get the infra security test done, and we also get our API security test done. So with every new release, every 6 months we run our API security, and every year we are running our infra security. In between also we have enabled some sort of a guard duty mechanism which automatically keep on monitoring if some security incident happen or some port like is open by accidentally by some release, then that get caught immediately after deployment. So all these mechanism we have taken care to ensure the data is protected and data is secure. So you don't not to worry. Even the cloud system and the SaaS are much more secure than on-prem because these are managed by the people who are the expert in the security and the tech side. And also these systems are provided by the companies who are providing these software to the enterprise customers who have very, very large data. So all those mechanism has already been implemented in Desilo, and we have our security as a first citizen to ensure that you can peacefully keep your data in this system.